What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we're going to be running the HSP 1/8 Nitro Truggy or monster truck. It's got SH.21 Nitro engine in. This truck's either called the Savagery or the Noki, depends where you get it from. Yeah guys, it's got a 2-speed gearbox, runs pretty good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start it up and I'll put this back on once it's running. Stay tuned for the run guys. Just warming the motor up guys. Two-speed baby. Two-speed baby. Two-speed baby, yes. Shifting lovely guys. Check the fuel guys, see how much fuel I got left. And we're practically empty guys. So this has been the HSP Savage or Nokia. got a 2-speed gearbox. It's running on 25% nitro. Be a great appreciation if you would like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.